6 years ago, in 2019, Ekstremale's team embarked on a challenging journey, manufacturing a highly visible top part for electric vehicle charging stations created by Lithuanian company Elinta Charge. The project was demanding absolute perfection. With dimensions of 350 by 150 millimeters, the top surface had to be flawless, free from even the slightest milling marks. At first, using smaller, less powerful milling machines, achieving a smooth, uniform finish was nearly impossible. Limited by torque, we resorted to multiple passes with smaller face mills, leaving visible marks that required time-consuming hand sanding. Even then, imperfections occasionally resurfaced after anodizing. Determined, we invested in a larger, more powerful CNC machine and high-performance face mills capable of single-pass machining. Multiple vice units boosted our efficiency, yet consistency remained elusive. Frequent insert changes and human error continued to pose challenges. Finally, innovation arrived from halfway around the world. A specialized polishing brush, paired with advanced diamond-coated inserts. This game-changing combination delivered the consistent, polished surfaces our customers demanded. Today, after hundreds of perfect parts, we still proudly rely on the very first diamond insert, a testament to precision, innovation, and relentless pursuit of excellence. That's what we call Ekstremale spirit.